Hey guys, on today's science snack, I am going to teach you how to turn this boring can of sweetened condensed milk into luxurious dulce de leche without ever even opening the can. All you need is a pot of boiling water, a can of sweetened condensed milk like this one, and the time it takes to binge about 3 steamy episodes of Bridgerton. Now, let's talk about our can of sweetened condensed milk really quick. It starts its transformation at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, but outside of the can, it will never get above 212 degrees Fahrenheit without it turning really gooey and sticky on the stovetop. Yikes, there has to be a better way. And there is! Enter pressure vessels. Now, a pressure vessel is just a sealed container that can hold gases and liquids at higher or lower pressures than ambient. And that just means the normal pressure that you feel from the air right now. Due to this phenomenon, we can get higher temperatures inside of our pressure vessel than the outside environment. And in today's little science snack, our pressure vessel is actually going to be our can. So how can we do this? Well, let's get naked. Or actually, let's get our cans naked by taking the labels off and popping them in a pot of boiling water and just letting it hang out there for 3-ish hours, fully submerged. Now, as the water around the can starts to boil, inside our can will start to pressurize and heat up. And what's going to happen is our sugars will start to caramelize due to the Maillard reactions. And just like that, look, we have dulce de leche out of a can of sweetened condensed milk. And I promise you, it is just as delicious as it looks. Thanks guys, stay snacky.